Now, rules for significant figures. First rule, all non-zero digits are significant. Now, example, in 2.12, 2, 1 and 2, all these three are significant. It means that it has three significant figure. 3.426, 3426, all are non-zero digit. It has four significant figure. 2568, all are non-zeros. It has four significant figures. Take second one, all zeros between non-zero digit are significant. And I can also generalize this rule as all zeros between two significant digits are significant. For example, in 4.03, this zero is in between two non-zero digits or in between two significant digits. Therefore, this zero will be counted as a significant one and its significant figure will be 3. 2.004, these two zeros are in between non-zero digits 2 and 4. These two will be significant, hence total significant figure will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 20068. Again, these two zeros are between two non-zero digits, hence significant figure will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ठीक है. Now, ending zeros will be significant if they come after decimal and at last. Two things should be there. Ending zero should come after decimal and at last. Example, 2.0. This zero is coming at last and it is after decimal. Then this zero will be significant and significant figure will be 2. Similarly, in 4.000, look here, the last digit is 0 and this 0 is coming after the decimal. This will be significant. This is also significant, and these two zeros are coming in between significant digits. Therefore, these two zero will be also be significant and total significant figure will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Significant figure will be 4. Clear? Similarly, in 6.2300, these two zeros are coming after decimal, and they are at last. The significant figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. In 6500, these two zeros are at last, but they are not coming after the decimal. Therefore, significant figure will be 2. These two will not be counted as a significant. Clear? Because they are not coming after the decimal. Next one, next rule. Initial zeros are non-significant. Initial zeros are non-significant. स्टार्टिंग में अगर जीरो आ रहा है, नंबर अगर जीरो से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो वो सिग्निफिकेंट नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 0.02, दिस जीरो इज आफ्टर द डेसिमल, बट ये लास्ट में नहीं आ रहा है, राइट. एंड दिस जीरो इज नॉट इन बिटवीन टू सिग्निफिकेंट डिजिट, देयरफॉर दिस जीरो इज नॉट सिग्निफिकेंट. ये भी सिग्निफिकेंट नहीं है. देन टोटल सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर विल बी 1. सिर्फ यही सिग्निफिकेंट है. 0.002, initial zero are not significant, these zero is not significant, right. Of course they are coming after the decimal, पर ये लास्ट में नहीं है, न ही ये दो सिग्निफिकेंट डिजिट के बीच में है. देयरफॉर इनिशियल जीरोज आर नॉन सिग्निफिकेंट. तो 1, 2, 3, these three are non significant, only one significant figure, right. 0.030, this is not significant, this is not significant, this is significant, this zero is significant because it is coming after the decimal, decimal के बाद and at last है. तो two significant figure. Similarly, in 0.03030, these two zeros are non-significant, and this zero is in between two non-zero digits, it is significant. This zero is at last, this is significant, and significant figure will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant figure. Fifth one is power of 10. Means if you are writing the significant figure, then power of 10 will not counted as a significant one. Example 3.14 into 10 to the power 6. The significant digit will be 3, 1 and 4. These are the significant one, and this 6 is insignificant, non-significant, hence significant figure will be significant figure will be 3. Similarly, if somewhere it is written 2.02 into 10 to the power minus 24, then significant figure will be 1, 2, 3. This will not counted as for the significant figure 3. Last one and very important one also. Pure number or constant have infinite significant figure. For example, when you are talking the significant figures in Avogadro number or significant figure in pi, or significant figure in speed of light c, it will be infinite. Why? Because these are the exact value. There is no uncertainty in Avogadro number or velocity of light, or I am saying 6 bananas. If I am saying 6 bananas, it means that it will be 6. There will be no uncertainty in it. ठीक है. तो in case of pure number or constant, we have infinite number of significant figures. ठीक. Now write down all the points and learn. Then you will able to understand how to use the significant rules for the significant figures. Thank you.